We have an important guest for tonight in this program. We have Dr. Sheikh Abdul Rahman Al Jaran and Ambassador Nelly Marquez. Mula dyan sa Dubai, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Dubai. Ako po ay mapagpalang araw na sumusubaybay sa Margo TV Philippines. Right now, I'm here beside with Dr. Sheikh Al-Jarar and Ambassadora Nelly Marquez. So we are here glad to have a nice day everyone there in Philippines.
Thank you very much. The Philippines and the United Arab Emirates have growing trade relations, with the UAE ranking among the Philippines' top trading partners. Primarily, this is due to the export of Philippine products like gold, office machine parts, and tropical fruits. And of course, the Philippines imports mainly petroleum products from the UAE. Both countries are having a good relationship as far as trade and investments is concerned. Now, may I ask our Sheikh Abdul Rahman, why of all the countries, why there are so many Filipinos in UAE, in the United Arab Emirates? What do you think?
My brother, in the relation between Emirate and the Republic of Philippines from long time. And here, because Dubai and Abu Dhabi and Emirate, we center of technology. And too much human, too much people, workers, engineering, doctors, many things coming from Philippines work here. The relation between Emirate and Philippines from long time, and this relation every time become more. Yani I think now inside Emirate more 1.5 million from Philippines.
Okay, we are glad to hear that from our Sheikh from United Arab Emirates, and we would like to extend our gratitude for His Holiness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the UAE and the ruler of Abu Dhabi. We would like to extend our gratitude for granting amnesty to more than 200 Filipinos recently serving sentence in United Arab Emirates for various offenses. They were able to rejoin their family here in the Philippines because of that goodness of His Holiness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Thank you very much, sir, for that.
Okay. Thank you, my brother. Inshallah, I am talk here from my personal name, not talk from the government of the Highness. But Alhamdulillah, inshallah, our Highness President of Emirates, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, and our Vice President, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, and all rulers of Emirate support all the Philippine people here and open the door to any technology or any business to do it in Dubai or Abu Dhabi.
Okay.